You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. If you're ever pulled over in a car and officers want to see you prior to WI, what do you think they're going to do if they smell alcohol or dope on you?
Notice how the judge calls this a slap on the wrist. It's actually a serious warning. In Texas, repeat DWIs escalate quickly. Minimum sentences can jump from days to months. Question for you. Do short jail stints really stop people from reoffending, or should penalties be harsher from the start?
From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. So the proverbial slap on the wrist, you understand. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So you don't want to do a PTI. You don't want to do a PTI on this thing.
That's like a probation. We talked about it.
You realize that once you plead guilty, it's going to go on your record. You can never take it off. It's there for the next, well, until you die. Even after you die, it's still there.
Sure.
This is a lifetime decision. There's no coming back. You sure?
Sure.
Okay. How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I will find you guilty. Are you appointed or retained? What do you do for a living, Mr. Vallejo?
Some mechanics. Diesel mechanics, sir.
How much?
I think it's about
A week?
that's because I pay child support
Oh, good. Does it come out of your check?
out of my check already.
Wonderful. That's great. Okay. All right. I have to suspend your license. I'm going to suspend it for 90 days, sir. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks, guys.
The 90 days, sir?
90
Yes, sir. I have to. That's the minimum. Don't drive until you get a license. Otherwise, you're going to be right back over here. Okay. All right. Good luck. Are you ready? You ready?
I'm here on Miss Luna, Cindy Luna. She's paid for everything. She's already signed all the paperwork for the PTI. You know, her problem is one that's that of economics. She has not yet gotten the portable device. She gets paid in 2 weeks to get it in.
What's his name?
Cindy Luna.
9 days. Is she here?
Yes, sir.
Luna, come up. Mr. Villarreal, September 26th of this year, the mitigation packet was not submitted. We told her that we had 2 weeks or else the case would be rolled day for day. Gave another 2.5 weeks to get all that done. Then we give another 2.5 weeks and now we're back and she still doesn't have it done.
Yeah,
I mean,
she had not paid the, I think the DA's fee last time, and it's her job that she's a server at the airport. She's on limited income. She needs about 2 weeks to be able to afford the device.
where do you work?
Polaris Lounge,
Okay. How often do you work?
5 days?
Just Fridays?
No, 5 days. 5.
5 days. Can you not pull double shifts to get extra work?
They don't give overtime.
How much money are you making a week?
Like 800 a week.
Sorry?
800 a week
And who do you live with? Who do you live with?
by myself. I pay my bills by my own.
Gilbert, I'll give you the 2 weeks. If it's not done in 2 weeks, I'm setting it for trial. I will not take any more excuses. Your case is 209 days old. If you don't have the interlock in by the next 2 weeks, then that's it. I'm not going to give you any more time.
This is where the judge starts losing patience. Courts usually allow some leeway, but after 210 days, time has run out. Diversion programs are meant to keep people out of jail, but long delays make judges suspect the defendant isn't taking it seriously. If you were the judge, would you grant more time or call the bluff and set trial immediately?
People have to have it done by 180 days. And I'm going to tell you now, statistically speaking, the longer someone takes to get into a diversion program here, historically, the higher we see that they end up messing up and they get kicked out of the program. Here we are, 210 days, you're still not in. No more time after the 2 weeks. It will be an immediate trial setting. You understand? Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Okay.
May I
Yes.
approach?
Yeah.
Spoke to Mr. Morelli, Judge, and with the permission of the court, it's okay. She'd like to submit to the UAs twice a
Okay,
week.
so she has to come here every Monday and Thursday. She'll report here.
Yeah.
She'll have to take a drug and alcohol test every, and we'll reset her. So the way we'll do it with you is we'll give you a date, 30 days out. That'll be your date. But what we'll have to do resets every Monday and Thursday for her to come and test, and then she'll come here, she'll test, and then she can go out and we'll have her sign a reset.
Yes, sir. Just two other points, Judge. This address is her, it's not the correct address, essentially, Judge. But I'm assuming since the court is allowing contact, that would be.
Passingham Drive,
Was that?
Passingham?
It's the same street, but it's a different number, is my understanding, Judge.
Of where mom lives?
Yes, Judge, but I'm assuming since the court is going to allow contact, is she allowed to be at the
So
house,
what we'll
Judge?
do is we'll do no threatening or harassing.
Okay.
And then the MOAB stays in place, all but for the residential restriction. So we'll take the residential restriction out, but everything else stays in.
Let's see, okay.
Ms. Morelli, come up.
The last condition, Judge, if I could, it asks Ms. Morelli to contact pretrial to determine the case status. She's obviously she has counsel, Judge. So can we remove that?
I've never
condition?
seen that, actually. You'll have to show me that, what her, usually it's something where it's random testing.
Do that, we put that paragraph thing. just
Why?
because I have no idea.
Okay, I'm gonna take that off. I don't see why. Thank you for bringing it. I've never seen that before.
I never seen either.
It was through the magistrate, so we'll take it off. Ms. Morelli, I'm going to have you sign conditions now that you are not,
Order in the court.
you are not to have any threatening or harassing contact with your mother. What is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think is threatening. It's what she perceives. So if you buck up and go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It is. Spoken word, it doesn't have to be spoken word. Other conduct can violate this court order. If you violate this, I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. If I find that you're consuming alcohol, and I don't care what it is, I don't care what the source is, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, a tequila lollipop, hair dye, NyQuil, I've heard it all, and it doesn't matter to me. No means no. And we'll take copious notes that I've warned you about everything, including mouthwash, Listerine, whatever it may be. If you test positive, the bond gets revoked, you go to jail. And from now on, if you test positive, I'm telling you now, I'm going to put an ankle monitor on you that tests for alcohol. And that thing costs around $400 to $500 a month. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So everything in this order for protection will stay. The only thing that we're taking off is the residential restriction. So before you leave here, I would suggest that you get to know this thing so you know what you can and can't do. Do you have any questions?
I can contact her just and be around her, just nothing harassing or threatening.
No threatening, harassing, no alcohol from any source, no illegal drugs. Correct. You have a lawyer. They will take care of you. It's your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You will not get any more PR bonds if you pick up a new case, you start acting out, anything like that. Any questions?
Just Monday and Thursday to be,
You will report here at 9 o'clock in the morning. We'll send you the test. And then after that, you'll be go. And then you can go. If we find something we shouldn't, we'll get in contact with both of you guys. Okay?
Thank you,
If
Judge.
you don't show up, a warrant will issue.
is there a time frame that it matters for those days?
9 o'clock here in the morning. Yeah, okay.
Will you
All right,
excuse,
guys.
Judge? Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge.
Oh, no weapons. I don't know if you saw it. No weapons. Able.
Guevara, Your Honor, and Gallegos, both for please.
Guevara?
Guevara?
Oh, Guevara.
Mhm.
3,059 days old, this case is. 3,059 old, your case, Mr. Guevara Hernandez. Tell
He
me,
was deported, and couldn't make his court date. That's why the case is on.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Does he have another household now?
Yes, and he's being deported again.
Did he sign for voluntary departure? Do you know?
Yes.
I'm going to tell you that you need to be very careful coming back in. Because if you come back in and the federal government catches you, it's very possible they charge you with illegal reentry. And then from what I understand, that is a minimum of 5 years in federal prison. If you do things the right way, good things happen. You need to ask for permission to come into this country first. Don't just come in. Don't do that. Ask for permission first and then you come in. You are charged with driving while intoxicated and having an open container. Both of you guys have worked out agreements with your criminal cases here. Mr. Guevara Hernandez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. And Mr. Gallegos, you were charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. Both of you guys are facing, well, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. And Mr. Guevara, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine with a minimum of 5 days in jail due to the open container. Both of you guys have worked out agreements. Mr. Gallegos, your agreement is 150 days in jail with credit for the 79 days that you've done. There is also an affirmative finding of family violence in your case. What that means is that you can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this. If you pick up a gun, if you pick up a weapon, it's very possible that they charge you with a criminal case as a result.
Sure, understood.
Mr. Guevara Hernandez, and both of you guys are giving up a lot of rights by entering into these agreements. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you guys are not citizens, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never undo this or change this. It will go on your record. It will be there forever. Mr. Gallegos, you need to understand that because this is going on your record, from now on, you will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Shh. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Guevara Hernandez, this charge of driving while intoxicated will go on your record. If I were you, if you ever have a sip of alcohol, sip of whiskey, sip of moonshine, bourbon, vodka, Corona, Modelo, don't get into a car. Because if you get pulled over, an officer will see the DWI. How do you think it will go?
Very best.
Right. From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to 15 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 6 days that you've done. I am going to suspend your license for 1 year. Well, you said he was deported, right? Okay. I'll suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. It looks like you may well end up getting deported with this case again. So like I said, be careful coming back, because if you're busted, it may not go well. Does the other gentleman have an ice hold?
Yes.
He does have. You also have an immigration detainer as well. So if you do end up getting deported, if you want to come back to this country, do it the right way. Ask for permission first. Don't just come back.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Or how do you plead to the office? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, guys. Good luck.
That's what this is.
Take care. Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Is it true that you had the open container in your car, Mr. Guevara?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Thanks. Mr. Name?
No, that's okay.
You have that picture that shows the certificates on that.
About something in the email.
Hi, Mr. D.
How you doing, Your Honor? You don't have a sheet.
The course is completed. You will receive an additional work certificate. No, it's just-
Okay, so you want to set off a week?
I don't, you ordered it, went yesterday.
Yeah, ordered, but it said it takes 7 to 10 business days for it to come in the mail.
And she didn't have the 25 to spare for the overnight.
Okay, so we'll do 10 days,
Okay.
okay? And then after that, if we don't have it then, I'm going to do it day for day. Your case is 230 days old. It's beyond old. So if you don't have it within the next 10 days, I'm going to roll it day for day until you get it. Okay.
Right this way.
Approach, Your Honor?
Mr. D,
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
you know what? Hold on. I told Joaquin. Joaquin,
Yes, sir.
do you have an on docket or off docket thing?
It's off docket, Judge.
Hang tight. Let me do this plea real quick. Then I'll hit you up next.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. I am here on Mr. Jesus Salazar. Mr. Salazar, a motion for to revoke probation was filed. Subsequent to that, however, he picked up a felony offense, same complaining witness. It's my understanding from talking to him that he has agreed to accept a plea bargain in felony court. I believe I told him that I saw an offer of 2 years on the DA portal. However, he informed me that the state were willing to reduce it to a misdemeanor and offer him a year in the Harris County Jail. That's the information that he told me. You had requested that he do a TRAS, I believe, sometime back. I believe the pretrial service would be better to let you know the outcome, Judge.
That moment right there is powerful. The judge is essentially saying, I'm holding you accountable now so you don't destroy your life later. It's tough love in action. What do you think? Does tough love from the bench actually work? Or do people only change when they're truly ready? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Recommended battery prevention program is monitoring on a high risk case.
And the question is, do you want to accept this plea or do you want him to continue on probation?
How old are you?
23. Sir.
I'll let you go. You will learn nothing if we let you go. if we just time serve you now and let you walk on your way, you learn nothing. That's not what we do here. We want you to learn from this, Mr. Salazar, so you don't pick up another case or you don't do some catastrophic damage that you can't walk away from where you end up doing 40 years. That's not what we do here. So I'm going to hold you until you're done with your felony case, and then I'm going to extend you another year, and we're going to continue with this until you complete the batter's intervention prevention program. And once you do that, I will cut you loose. But I want you to learn something from this, and I'm not going to do this catch and release where you learn nothing. It's not going to happen. You're on probation for an assault and you pick up a felony assault. No, I will keep you until you learn something. And when you learn, that's when we will let you go. Do you understand? I'm down with the high-risk caseload. Yep, the batter's intervention program. No dope, no alcohol. Was there alcohol or any kind of dope as an allegation, Alex, as far as the felony assault is concerned?
As far as the felony is concerned, let me see.
Keep pressing forward.
The witness stated the defendant, his son, got drunk and argued with the complainant.
That's okay, Your Honor. Okay.
You will be doing now intensive outpatient treatment program. And I'm going to tell you now, when we let you out, I expect you to do the drug and alcohol treatment program. And if not, we will do an inpatient one. But I'm going to keep you until you learn something and until you stay clean and sober for a very long time. Because it appears to me that when you have a clear and clean head, good things happen. When you end up using, here we are. Right or wrong?
You're right. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I can keep you for up to 3 years, and if I need to do that, I will, just to make sure you're not using and you're learning. And if we have to do the BIP program multiple times, then we're gonna do it multiple times. It is an 18-week program that you must attend once a week for 18 weeks. And if it doesn't take the first time, we'll right back do it a second time until it takes.
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
let's do it. Extend it for a year and a half or a year, and we'll go from there.
We're gonna amend it now or wait until the felony?
Amend it now
Okay.
so that felony knows what we're doing.
Okay.
And then perhaps, because he's been in custody for a good amount of time. So 1 year Harris County Jail, he's probably going to be out within 30 days, I would take.
With the mitigation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It looks like the felony court,
I don't know about that.
Shatori, the felony court's not set for November 14th. So do you want to do maybe the day after? Okay. Yeah, and then we'll amend it when we know specifically how much time he has left, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. All right, see you 1 day after your felony.
Yes, sir.
Good luck up there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
We're gonna do another 15.
No, sorry, 15.
That's all we're gonna do.
Okay, 15. Okay, perfect.
Hey,
Hey, Judge Member.
no,
This, Brianna Senegal, we're good. Both cases dismissed, both of them. She's here. The issue is she's got GPS. What else do you have on you? We gotta take the GPS off from home. Come up here, Brianna. So, Nathan was able to help out. We got both their cases dismissed. She's gonna be on her way. Great future ahead of her. We just need to get her GPS removed from the house, and that's about it.
did you finish?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Are they both getting dismissed?
Yes, Judge, both are getting dismissed. My understanding is they've already been filed.
Happy?
Yes,
I hope that you don't come back.
I won't.
I hope, really, really. hope. All right, all right, good luck. We'll take everything off now.
Thank you.
Have fun.
I'm gonna talk to pretrial to see how we can get that